All right, good morning, happy homeowners. I may have bit off more than I could chew on this one. Got this 1920s house over here in, up in the hills of Los Angeles. Stay with me to the end of this video. I'm gonna show you the view. It's crazy. Some of these areas, because they had this crazy plastic laminate down, so they just tried to level stuff out. So these areas, that's where the flooring was missing for whatever reason. It could be termites or something up against the wall, and they just filled it in with lightweight concrete. So we got to knock that out. So the house over the years has just, you know, from all the California earthquakes, it's settled. This area here is where they tried to grind down because the house slopes down so much, and then they just poured this concrete so they could put flooring over the top of it. This area in the floor they sanded and made crazy. All right, happy homeowners, here we are, about an hour into trying to save this old floor. So let me turn you around and show you what we got. Now these areas where they filled in with the concrete, they did it right and they did it wrong. One, you should never fill it in with concrete. But if you are, they use this little screen back so it grabs the concrete. We've had to pull the screws out. We've got big staples everywhere. This is a walnut feature strip that goes around. That's really going to stand out and look beautiful. And then here, this is the nightmare. We've got some crazy rock paper that we're just sanding this off. You would not be able to do this with the Home Depot sander that you can rent. Second day over here in the hills of Los Angeles. Man, you remember yesterday we were getting started trying to save this floor. Remember up against the wall? Used to be that concrete. Got that all filled in. That's beautiful. Little spot up here in the corner. Previous videos where we just trowel fill the entire floor. We'll just cover the entire floor with the putty. Getting started in here. Now remember, it's over 100 years old. So this line here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me get close. Got all the concrete up. We're gonna have to make a special piece to cover this. Over here, third day refinishing this old 1920s hardwood floor. So here, this is the putty, how it's all been puttied. There's a little sample area we did. So you can see the natural wood, and then with the clear, it darkens it up, because this wood is aged over 100 years. This will go up here. See the big crazy height difference? So this will be the same level as the floor. Remember before in the earlier video, you couldn't even see this walnut. Whew! Man, it's gonna be pretty. Got the ceilings with the stars behind me. On the last day here in Los Angeles, this 1920 house. You've seen the beginning of it, the middle of it, and today we're finishing. Boom, got this beautiful threshold in there, look at that. Ready? Ready? Here we go, close your eyes, close your eyes. Bam! Woo! Talk to me. Good God, man. I wasn't sure we could save this, gotta be honest with you, but look at this. Remember, that was that plywood stuff we filled in. You couldn't even see the walnut. Look at that. Man. Remember I told you it was all hand nailed? They kind of turn, you know, dark, but it's over 100 years old. You got, you know, it's just, remember we had to replace these boards here. You can't even see it up against the wall. They steam clean it, the nails get wet and rust. Man. Another one of these cool reducers we put in for them. It's the blowers. You don't want this to be perfect. This age of the house, you want it to show the character. Just amazing. Oh, look at this. Booyah! All of that. That's just, I really felt I was going to have to call him up and say we couldn't save this. Some things we know aren't going to come out. Remember these lines I showed you earlier video? But man, that's just part of the beauty of this thing. Believe them. And I'm going to leave you with this. Anyway, give us a call. You want to reach out to us, we'll answer questions. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? Reach out. Have a great New Year's, guys.
How are you, Carlos?
I'm good. Brian and his team just finished the floors and they look obviously absolutely incredible. We could not be any happier. From the moment we got him, he made us feel like he understood exactly what we were looking for, and he saved these almost 100-year-old floors. Did an incredible job. Him and his team did an incredible job and did it very fast. So we cannot be happier, and we would recommend them to anybody.
Thank you.